Welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to be focused on building a dynamic dashboard. So that's really extending beyond monitoring layouts as you are familiar with them today to include widgets such as swipe and show, video views, or even a health dashboard. And we plan to include even more in the future. So let's jump right in here and show what you get right at your 3.0 upgrade or fresh install. So up at the top of the monitoring screen, you're going to have a drop down of your different layouts that are available. The first 7 all the way down to system health dashboard are pre-built for you. So straight out of the box, you're going to have some access centric or video centric or some kind of combination of the two that you can utilize right at your upgrade. So let's take a look at building a new one. So over in configuration, I add new, and I get this great grid style area, my sandbox to build. I also have a preview tab to see what it's going to look like in full screen mode. And my little taskbar here on the left-hand side, I have overlaid to show what all of the icons stand for, whether I want to bring in events, swipe and show, personnel monitoring, all the way down to my video monitoring options. I can also select between different layouts that are, pretty standard, a 2x2, 3x3, or I can go completely custom with my layout. So this is how simple it is to add in options. So I'm going to pick my event viewer widget. I decide how large I want that real estate to be. Or I could have something like swipe and show that's going to have more configuration needed. So with swipe and show, I select the little configuration icon, and then I can easily select my door groups, my doors, even elevators, and any other special permissions or actions that I want to include with that. And then with video monitoring, that's a much larger area. I can take up more real estate for that. And again, it's very easy to customize. So this is my list of discovered cameras. I can easily drag and drop them in. And once I'm happy with that view, I can close out my discovered cameras. If I have any special controls that I want to include, like PTZ camera controls or any other tours, I could keep that control panel open, or I can decide to close it out and take up my full real estate here for the video views. There are other options that I can add. We have different device action buttons. If I wanted to include the ability to, momentary unlock a door or trigger a lockdown event, or if I wanted to link to a standard operating procedure or an external link, such as local weather, I can include those options as well. So let's take a look at a built layout. So here's a great SOC operator view where I have my events that are up in the top left-hand corner. I have a video view over here on the right-hand side. I have a swipe and show of a particular door that we're monitoring. And then here are some of the action buttons that we included. So we do have the ability to activate a lockdown event of the facility, or I could unlock all doors in the process of an evacuation, or just a momentary unlock of the front door of somebody coming in. And here are some of the action buttons. So I could link to my system health dashboard in the web or local weather. So all of that is available all from within this layout.